Is managing employee work hours feeling like a never-ending race against time? Clockify, a free and powerful time tracking tool, can be your secret weapon for accurate payroll, precise project costing, and a more productive team. Let's dive into how to use it effectively in just a few simple steps. First, ensure all your employees have Clockify accounts and are added to your workspace now. The core of Clockify is the timer. Employees simply hit the start button before beginning a task and stop it when they're done. It's that easy to track real-time work. To keep everything organized, encourage your team to select the relevant project and task before starting the timer. This ensures all work hours are properly allocated to the right areas. Clockify's real magic lies in its reporting features. Use the reports section to generate detailed timesheets, breaking down work hours by employee, project, or task. To ensure accurate data, use Clockify's settings to set user roles and permissions, grant admin roles to managers for oversight, and limit access to sensitive information for general users. Boost team productivity with Clockify's calendar integration. This feature enables you to compare your scheduled tasks to the time you actually spend on them. By implementing these simple yet effective techniques, you can unlock the full potential of Clockify, leading to improved employee accountability, streamlined payroll processes, and ultimately, a more productive and profitable business.